Because an artist is a man who makes his living by playing, whether he's dancing or painting or playing music or whatever it is, and he has to overcome this problem. He has to know how to play in public at a given time on an appointment. See? Now that's not an easy thing to learn, but when you catch on to the trick of it, you can do it. Play on demand. That's the hardest lesson of life, to contrive a controlled accident. So therefore, if you understand perfectly clearly that you can't do anything to find that very, very important thing, God, enlightenment, nirvana, whatever, then what? Become aware that this happening isn't happening to you, because you are the happening. The only you there is what's going on. Yeah, feel it. And feel it genuinely. When you feel it genuinely, you get down to rock bottom, all that isn't there. That's a game that's been erected on. Now, if you will use your senses, you will see that that is a hallucination. The present does not come from the past. The past does not move the present, unless you insist that it does. If you listen, close your eyes. Where do the sounds come from, according to your ears? You hear them coming out of silence. The sounds come, and then they fade, and then they fade. They go like echoes, or echoes in the labyrinths of your brain, which we call memory. The sounds don't come from the past. They come out of now. Trail off. You can do that later with your eyes. And it starts from there.
The sound of the rain needs no translation. So what does the rain say? You see, that's the point. And all the talk in the world doesn't get it unless you listen to the talk in a new way. The sound of the rain needs no translation.